Whenever you see this alarm, it's time for an oil change. Today, I'm going to change the oil of my Mercedes and to reset the service indicator. The tools I need are drain washer, filter, filter wrench, 13mm socket for drain plug, torque wrench, and 8.5 quarts of Mobil 1 OW40. Let me lift the car to access the drain plug underneath using my quick jack. The quick jack has a lifting capacity of 5,000 pounds and a lifting height of 2 feet. Time to access the under chassis using a gripper. We need to remove all those splash cover so that I can access the drain plug. The drain plug is located on the left side of the pan. Remove the plug and drain the oil until the drip stops. Putting back the plug with a new drain washer and tighten it up with a torque of 22 foot-pounds. Now it's time to work under the hood, removing the engine cover to access the filter casing. Using the filter wrench, remove the filter. The filter and the filter adapter has three O-rings in it. One on the bottom, in the middle, and at the top. This is the new filter and associated O-rings. So I need to replace all those old O-rings. This is now the after the replacement of the O-rings. Then it's time to put the new filter. You need to be very clean when doing this job. Put the cover back and torque it to 18.5. Filling up with oil. Carefully not to overfill it by continually monitoring the dipstick. Starting the engine. can check for any abnormality or any alarm. It looks like satisfactory. Now it's time to reset the service indicator. Take note that the service indicator shows specific maintenance items. Check the service manual for these items or contact your service representative. Pressing the menu button until the display shows the temperature reading. The menu button is also the enter button. Pressing the button at a fast pace interval 3 times. A voltage reading will appear. Pressing the arrow down and the service menu will appear. Clicking the plus and minus button to move the cursor for confirmation. Then hit the enter or menu button.